All right. Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you to our Rockstar Custodian Assembly. This is a very special day for Mr. JW, as well as a very special day for everybody in the EES family. I want you guys to remain on your best behavior. There'll be times that you can cheer and clap and show Mr. JW just how much he means to us. But we also want you to remember to keep your listening ears on so you can hear exactly what is being said and what is happening. And so Mr. JW can hear because guess what? He has no idea what is going on. Okay? All right. All right. Good morning, everybody. At this time, we will begin the portion of our assembly where we let you know what we all already know, exactly how special Mr. JW is to all of us. He is the National Rockstar Custodian Award winner. Years away. Now, boys and girls, the entire United States knows what we already know, that our very own Mr. JW is a national rock star custodian. The Rock Star Custodian Award is based on 9 personality traits, and nominees have come from kindergarten through 12th grade schools, so schools like ours all the way up to high school, middle schools and high schools, universities like colleges, service contractors, and others. And back in October, I nominated Mr. JW for this award, and part of the application was to think about the 9 qualifying traits, for the Rockstar Custodian National Award and how they describe Mr. JW. So the first trait is communication. This is what I said about Mr. JW. I said that Mr. JW communicates efficiently to teachers, other faculty members, and administration. He reports areas that need attention beyond his control in a timely manner. Give me a thumbs up if you think you agree with that. All right, good. The second trait is utilizes resources. And what you probably don't know, but the adults in the building know, is that Mr. JW always makes sure to use the resources that we have efficiently. He doesn't waste supplies and he doesn't overuse them. He uses the custodial equipment with care so that it will not break or tear up. If you agree with that, give me a thumbs up. All right, I see a bunch of thumbs up. Good job. All right, here's trait 3, service to others. To me, Mr. JW participates in any school function. He is always ready and willing to help, assist, clean, and organize, and help us in any way that he is able. You agree with that? If you do, nod your head. All right, good. The fourth trait is takes ownership. Mr. JW spends his days cleaning up the messes of all of ours. He never complains about that. No one has to point out areas of concern to him because he sees them himself and always has a watchful eye on how to make our school a better place. If you agree with that, nod your head. All right. The fifth character trait is optimism. Mr. JW is the sunshine of our school. The students love and respect him. He always works out solutions to any problems, when most of the time this means adding more work to his day. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. All right. The sixth trait is determined. I know Mr. JW solves his own problems and the problems of others. Never do I have to ask him to redo any work or remind him of anything. He points out things to me with his own work that I would have never even seen. That's how meticulous he is. And for boys and girls that don't know the word meticulous, that means he pays attention to every detail. If you agree with that, snap. Okay. The seventh trait is integrity. Mr. JW spends absolutely no time engaging in gossip, negativity, and any situation that would bring other people down. He is 100% honest and trustworthy. Give me a snap if you agree with that. All right, we are down to our final two character traits. The eighth trait of a rock star custodian is analyze. Recently, Mr. JW came to me and asked if the school could purchase the completed instruments for other custodians in our school that he already has. He uses it on his home and it works very well. This shows how he is always concerned with the entire school. He takes pride in his work and pride in how our school looks and smells. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. All right. And the final trait of a national rock star custodian is nurturing. Mr. JW loves kids and he loves Edwards Elementary School. There have been times he has searched the entire school because a little girl lost her ring or bracelet or earrings. One time, we even had somebody lose a tooth. Mr. JW is in the cafeteria every day with all the students. He loves our students, and if you love Mr. JW, this time you can clap. All right. Edwards Elementary loves you, Mr. JW. Congratulations on your well-deserved honor of National Rockstar Custodian. And this time, boys and girls, you are going to turn things over to Ms. Dudley because you're going to need to pay attention to the screen as you're going to see a video next. Okay? So hang tight. Okay. Someone give it a watch.
My name is Sawyer Lambert. Mr. JW is so much fun to be around, and he always has a smile on his face and never has anything negative to say. I enjoy talking to him about football and other things. We are so lucky to have him at our school.
Hello, my name is Alex Johnson. Mr. JW utilizes resources to make sure our school stays clean every day.
My name is Everett Edwards. Mr. JW gives service to others by making sure the school is clean and making sure the foundation is kept up.
My name is Atticus Crawford. Mr. JW, he takes ownership by making sure our school is top-notch clean every day.
My name is Brooklyn Thunderberg. Mr. JW shows optimism by giving each student, teacher, and faculty staff a smile every day at work. He is always positive and never complains. He enjoys working hard to give us a clean environment. He is the most optimistic person I know. Thank you, Mr. JW.
My name is Kelly Keith. Mr. JW shows determination at his school by keeping it clean every single day.
My name is Christian Sykes. Mr. JW always has a smile on his face, goes out of his way to be nice, and is always willing to help us whenever he can. He always makes sure our school is neat and clean and that it is always looking its best. Mr. JW is the best.
My name is Kason Brower. Mr. JW nurtures us by cleaning up our school. He also nurtures us by encouraging us to do the best we can and do our part in cleaning and taking care of our school. We love you, Mr. JW.
Mr. JW always shows integrity by doing what is right even when no one's watching.
Mr. JW, you rock!
Hi, I'm Mike Ward, author of Who Swings Your Mop, the book that inspired the National Rockstar Custodian Award and program. And I want to congratulate you, Mr. James White of Edwards Elementary there in South Carolina, for being this year's Rockstar Custodian. What an honor it is to be the National Rockstar Custodian. And I want to tell you, one of the things that I love doing is looking through all the nominations and reading all the profiles of the folks that got nominated. And by the way, just to get nominated is quite an honor. but to win it is amazing. So my favorite trait that I love to read through is service to others. Service to others. I mean, people don't get that. And you, James White, gets that. It's about more than mopping and sweeping and cleaning and responding to calls. It's about being a service to your students and staff and community. And I loved reading through there when it talked about how you tutor kids and read to kids, get involved with the community through different types of community functions. Not many custodians out there do that, and you do that. And believe me, your staff and students appreciate that. They will never forget the impact that you made on their lives. I have this saying that I always tell people, find a reason you can and not a reason you can't. And I read through the other traits, and every one of them spoke to that. You always find a reason you can and not a reason you can't. You look for the positive and the good in people and situations. So congratulations, Mr. White. I am so honored that you are this year's Rockstar Custodian, and you are an example of what it means to create clean, safe learning environments for our staff and students. So congratulations. Enjoy your day. Rock on.
All right, guys. Calm down, calm down. Mr. Thompson. Oh, there's Mr. Thompson.
Hello from Florida. Can you hear me? If you can, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. James White. We are very happy to present this award to you today. And as the National Rockstar Custodian for this year, we would like to present you this award. You'll be getting a trophy and this plaque. And the plaque reads, "The Academy of Cleaning Excellence is proud to recognize James White as the National Rockstar Custodian for 2023. Mr. James White was nominated as having the 9 professional traits that you've heard today outlined in the Rockstar Custodian program. The award acknowledges Mr. White's ongoing devotion in keeping Edwards Elementary safe and healthy during his career at Chesterfield Public Schools. Congratulations, Mr. James White, for being the National Rockstar Custodian for 2023. Give him a round of applause.
Okay, at this time, it is time for the presentation and certificate and trophy. Ms. Dudley has the certificate, and you were able to see that on the screen that we have for Mr. JW. And he also has a very nice trophy that Ms. Dudley is going to present to him at this time. Let's give him a round of applause. We also have Mr. JW, a gift of appreciation that Ms. Dudley is presenting to him now. Boys and girls, you have been an incredible audience, and that just shows me how much you, as well as the faculty here, knows and appreciates all the work that Mr. JW does for us every day. So just stay right in your seat, and let's one time get very loud and very proud, and this will conclude our awards Let's give Mr. J.W. the biggest congratulations. Thank you. Couldn't even hear as you were giving them such a loud cheer. And of course, we would like the whole school to be able to participate in congratulating you. So your teachers will have popsicles for you at some time today when they choose to give those to you. And we have a treat for you over by the trophy cabinet. Students, if you'll just stay seated right now. Thank you, Mr. Thompson, and once again, congratulations, Mr. J.W.
Congratulations, Mr. White.
I'd like to play the video one more time of our students and what they had to say about Mr. J.W. We know that was difficult to hear, but Mr. Thompson was having to play it through his system, so it would be included in the recording, but now we're going to play it through our own system, so the sound will be higher and you'll actually be able to hear. So I need you to stay seated and stay quiet, because I know you couldn't hear that part, okay? Mr. Thompson, is it okay if we, click off from you now?
Does just Mr. James White have anything to say?
Oh, yes. I will put it on the spot if you'd like to.
I just want to thank Ms. Smile, Ms. Doug, for being a great leader, understanding, Ms. Charlie, always looking out for me. The teachers, thank y'all, the students, appreciate it. I just take pride in what I do, I just love cleaning. Here's the water. You got to thank the water too. You always have a smile when you see me. Appreciate it.
Thank you.